Here's a Goodman air conditioner at my brother's apartment. It's running. It's running in cool mode. I'm trying to say here, this is a Goodman center. Goodman. My very first Goodman air conditioner that I video. It's running. It's got a Copeland scroll. Maybe about a Copeland scroll. And there's the model and serial numbers. Model number GSH13 060-188A. It's a GSH13. Serial number 0607-136T57 from 2006. There's another one down there. Here are the furnace vents. Smashed up to a Goodman gas furnace. We have a GE fan. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed.